I never did an intro. So this is the intro. This traitor joined us. This traitor ass.
We're starting now.
Jesus,
So the first take was...
Guys, I forgot I was kind of vlogging and...
Guys, there's no guys. There's no one watching your shit.
Oh, don't cry, are you?
I'm so cute though, like. Hell yeah! Telling me I'm not gonna waste my time. Pressure make time on, but pressure bust pipe.
So guys, I am at the nail section, obviously. I never did an intro. So this is the intro. But this is ticklish. Ticklish back. Alright, I'm gonna try. I'm dying. I'm really dying. But yes, if I didn't ever see the amount of dead skin will come off of the next foot, my shame. Me shame. But you know, that's why you guys need to come and get your pedicures done. Okay? See where I'm at? Tootsie Salon. Okay? Guys, we're at sports day and we're winning.
Let me be the judge of that. Turn it around, let me see. Wow! So nice!
Oh my god! Wow! People, my drop. Come on. Watch it. You see that ass?
Step on my face.
You know how much work we do? This is what we get? It's not giving what it's supposed to give.
Because you see how she come here both
Wicked.
psychic.
Yes.
You said.
No, it's not psychic.
When I came, Tash, you said we have followed at least past four side. And one is non-athletic.
Bitch plan for it.
That is what it is. That is what it is.
They're thieves. I don't like that.
Unfair. Right, Gypsy?
Yeah, that's
Right. P right.
my look.
Are you the part for themselves?
Hey guys, Tash says she keep sports day, so my drop. Yeah, I fell.
Hey, hold on, this shit ain't funny. It ain't funny, but it is.
I was pushed by the ancestors. They didn't want me to win, so a bitch fell. It's okay though. So they're doing what is? When him shot put and do this. Walk like walk. To stay on. What? To stay on foot. Oh! And I'm so Or not. Yeah. Hello?
Hello?
You want to know where I'm at? We have
Should have done that video.
Oh, fuck. We can record the last part now. So guys, that's our breakfast. I'm gonna take a snap and I'm gonna eat now. Bye. This traitor joined us. This traitor ass. I'm condemned for food.
P right, and I just ate.
How was the food? Your belly full? Her.
Great.
It wasn't. Whatever. So it wasn't bad, but my French toast and my pancakes are better. A big old boo. Bye. So guys, we just left T3, ate our nice clean breakfast. Right now, breakfast at 1, and now we are going to TGI for drinky drinks.
We're going to get
Drinky drinks. Hey.
in curfew.
In curfew, period. Curfew is 4 o'clock. So you know, so we're up here. Hurry up.
Outside, we're not going in.
We're outside and now go in. P-Rod. Y'all like my wig? Guys, I am trying so hard to vlog, but one, the people that are playing music were copyrighted. I'm afraid I get copyrighted. So here's my drinky drink. It is a tropical breeze. I'm sorry, so I don't want to stay up in my nose all and my mouth, but I don't want to get copyrighted. What did you get?
So the bartender for
What you say?
I asked the bartender for the strongest drink.
A strong drink. This look like, it tastes like, you know, like the apple Jolly Rancher?
Yes.
It tastes like that with liquor. Yeah, that's what it tastes like. But different.
Jolly Rancher drink.
And then the lame girl over there so get mudslide. Virgin mudslide. It is a new day and my wig is looking crusty because it needs fixing, so just enjoy the bottom, you know, everything except my forehead and the lace showing. We left yesterday and I didn't finish vlogging because we were trying to get pictures in because I never got a good picture that I liked, so we had to retake the pictures, even though I end up use the first set of pictures when we did take because I liked those more than the last set, but that is not important. Yeah, it was curfew time. It was almost 4 or basically 4 o'clock by the time we left there, so we just kind of did a rush to take the pictures and just one last thing that we had to do and then go home. So that's really what happened, so that's why I didn't get to close out the vlog properly. So this is me closing out the vlog now. So I am going on the road. I'm going on the road right now. I am going to be doing a little, what should I call it? Should I call it a skit? I don't know if I should call it a skit. It kind of is. When I get there, I'll explain more of exactly what I'm going to be doing, but basically I'm going to be going to a dermatologist's office and basically I'm going to be acting out the different types of clients that come in, something like that. Anyways, I'm not gonna wear any makeup. Well, I actually am gonna do my brows. Yes, I am going to do my brows because why not? Why not? Like, I don't have any brows, and if I'm going to be on camera, I would like, you know, I'd like the brows to be visible, and currently they're not visible. So we're just gonna do that. I have on my clothes already, nothing too crazy. Just this is a tube top thingy. What should I call this? Like a tube crop top. This is what it is. And some jeans. And that's about it. So my eyebrows are done. They look like cousins and not sisters, but that's okay. I wasn't aiming for them to be twins, but you know, sisters at least, but they're like distant cousins. It's okay. And I'm not gonna glue it down either because elbow glue like attach the combs in, but I can't bother. I really just cannot be bothered. I know y'all didn't see the look coming together until I put this wig on my head. So I have my bag ready. I put my lip gloss on. What else do I need to do? I just called the cab a while ago. Oh, perfume. I smell expensive. Gotta go. Okay guys, just quick. I'm here now. We have to rush come on, but I'm doing the thing. Yeah. Alright.
Alright, so we're starting now.
Jesus,
So the first take was what you were saying, the procedure.
But for skincare, I'm not skincare, but I want my whole body though. Head to toe. Head to toe, like the lover.
Let's see.
I'm a whole body though. So
Let me do the shit.
yeah.
You know, so that actually fits you, like that's your personality.
Alright people, we're going into Loshishon. You know, so I come here before?
I'm pretty sure you would, because you know, you're uptown girl, so.
I'm not. That's why I've never been here, because I'm not an uptown girl. I'm just a little girl from the country. I don't come to these posh supermarkets.
It have Wi-Fi though. Wait, shit, I don't want people to know that.
Yeah, because all him do is stock our shoes from supermarket. Because him don't put service on him phone. And use other people them Wi-Fi. That's all I'm doing.
Wow.
As I'm reaching them, gonna settings and see if not look Wi-Fi in there. It's okay though, I do the same thing. It's okay. I do the same thing as well. It's okay, no shame in the game.
Really?
No, what do you mean? You think me have on service?
Of course you have service now.
Oh,
You have service now?
no.
Damn.
It's in a LTE, Pastor.
Already.
Listen to me, I'm telling all the way, I'm not a hot girl. I don't know why I want to keep on putting that title on me. I don't appreciate it. Stop it. Stop it. Get some help.
Stop it. Get some help.
Guys, I am now back home and my room is an absolute mess. Like, so many people were here yesterday and I take the sheet off on my bed because I don't like people on my bed. I don't like people on my bed in their outside clothes. It's a pet peeve. And they're probably wondering, Shelby, why are you on your bed in your outside clothes? Because I'm sitting on a dirty dress, and also I'm going to change the sheet as well. Yeah, my eye look a bit oily. I do look a little bit oily, but my eyebrows did not move today. My hair looks decent. I might have one video for film tonight. I really have a headache right now. I'm not even gonna go around them. If you made it this far to the video, please comment a pink heart. Yeah. So guys, I know my fry look extremely big, but anyways, I'm currently gonna be getting a makeover from Sue. Petite Sue Bendy. So yeah, I guess when that starts I'll come back. I'm kind of really tired right now. I'm not able to talk. So guys, here's Sue.
Oh, she's so like, oh my god. I look like me just come from out of prison with this and my edits. You know the man you have the do-rag and then just like, oh, what's up, shorty?
What's up, shorty? And a tattoo on. So guys, she's going to be giving me a makeover today. You see that wiggy show?
Yeah, right.
So I'm going to be a hot girl for the day. Some lights. Yeah. So we're gonna take off this off on my head and yeah.
My face definitely look like me just wake up. Yeah, but
You look nice.
oh, thank you.
Bye guys.
Yeah.
Oh, but hey, go forward, man. When God did make me, I never have to join the line. Him just said, hey, forward, take allies. Mercy God. Yeah, this. I look like one of the Gross sisters in a Proud Family. Or some of them.
The fact that I'm actually seeing.
God. My ear good though. This never used to happen. That me ain't need to cut. It's too much. So this is what we're looking like so far. So guys, this is the finished look. I am a hot girl now. Like this makeup is so like soft glam, and then the hair is just so flowy and nice. I really love the color. But you don't know me, I'm gonna keep on with too long. So by tonight, this will come on. But I like it for now. Like I actually really do like it. Like it's giving Mean Girl. It's giving what it's supposed to give. Okay.
Guys, I forgot I was kind of vlogging and
Guys, there's no one watching your shit.
oh, don't cry, are you?
I'm joking. I'm a big fan. Hi, Shelby. Hi.
Guys, I'm a little bit frazzled. Because she smokes frass. She smokes frasses. She smokes frasses. The music can sound bad. May I try to talk over it because I don't get copyright.
I want some.
Excuse me. Honestly, so the miss back, the miss not. What the back, belly one. Shoot the.
Where should they? Pan the pole.
And we got feature big sings him out the girl, you know the girl them bimmer. Guys, I just ran into a celebrity. Who's that?
This is a vlog.
Sings him out, you know the girl them
This is a vlog.
bimmer.
I know you love my hair. Why pre-watch up one? It's your boy Sings him back. We're here with Shelby the Great. Make sure you subscribe to her channel. Get her to 20k. At 15.5 now. Get her to 20k. ASAP. So hit the bell thingy and the subscribe thingy. How y'all doing though? Has she been treating you guys good? Has she
Always.
been consistent?
Yes.
It's you struggling to answer for me.
Okay. I was consistent, but it's probably
Guys.
been a week and a half since I haven't posted.
Spam the comment section and say, Shelby, where are the weekly uploads?
They're coming. I have them planned.
Right.
I have been filming all week, so they'll be there.
Okay.
You have to drop your whole intro.
He did.
You want to do it? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Why? Wait. Ready? Why free? Why chop? Log on.
So guys, since me this, yeah. So guys, since I decided that I was going to somewhat vlog, I'm just going to finish the vlog. It is now past our bedtime.
Past the curfew.
Lord Jesus, I never wanted to that, but alright. We're outside and we're not going in. I don't, I'm ready. I kind of want to go in because there are some people I don't like now. Want to go. So, I think I'm going to do that. And also, I kind of want to take off the swag. See me until tomorrow. Watch out. Fingernail gone.
Oh shit.
Take that here. There. Now let's go. Hi guys. So guys, I'm at AC. I guess who's here? I think we're both a bit. So my phone battery died. But you know, I'm so cute though, like hell yeah! Yeah! I think are we getting more shots?
Yeah, we are. Like,
More shots. More shots.
yeah, okay.
No, man, I'm a joke, man. I'm impressed.
So I just realized I never did an outro for this video, so here is the outro. Thank you guys for watching. What is the duck? Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching my videos. Thanks for all the support, all the love, all of that stuff. Just don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Like, a lot of you guys are watching it and not subscribed. Man, I like that, but I love enough for watch still. But yeah, subscribe and like and comment and share. Yeah, that's the only way this family gonna grow, you feel me? And I'm trying to get to 20k seashells, so if you can help me get there, I'd very much appreciate that. But yeah, hope you like this video and stay tuned for the next one.